Good morning. Today is the November the 10th, 2012. This is Jason Scott with a look at your national and regional forecast. And we're going to start doing this on a regular basis, broadcasting the national weather forecast. And taking a look at the Midwest this morning, it looks like a potent cold front will be accompanied by a band of heavy rain and a few thunderstorms as it heads eastward into the western part of the Great Lakes in the mid-Mississippi and lower Ohio Valley on Sunday. Rainfall will top around 1 inch from the upper Michigan to Missouri. Any thunderstorms that do develop in the rain bands in the mid-Mississippi could produce some also damaging wind gusts in that area. Though it's going to be windy region-wide, the strongest winds will occur ahead of a cold front over the eastern part of Missouri and Kentucky to Michigan. The last of the snow will taper off across the northern part of the Dakotas and northern Minnesota. Temperatures will range 5 to 17 degrees above average east of the Mississippi River to 10 to 22 degrees below average across the plains. Lows will range from the single digits to the western part of the Dakotas to 50s near the front from eastern Wisconsin to Missouri. Highs will range from the teens and 20s in the Dakotas, in the 60s and low 70s in the Ohio Valley. Rain will target the lower Michigan and Ohio Valley on Monday, with a few snow showers lingering over the northern part of Minnesota and upper Michigan. Moving to the southern states, it looks like a strong cold front and some thunderstorms ahead of it will be moving eastward into the lower Mississippi Valley on Sunday. Some of these storms will turn severe with damaging wind gusts across eastern Oklahoma, northeast Texas, northern Louisiana, Arkansas, and also the rain could be locally heavy with up to an inch. Some of the wind gusts ahead of the front can be expected across Arkansas and into Tennessee. Meanwhile, an onshore easterly flow will bring some stray showers into the Atlantic beaches of Florida. Temperatures will vary from near average to 10 degrees above average, except below average in parts of west part of Oklahoma and southern Florida. Okay, the lows will range from the 30s in West Texas and 40s around the Appalachians, and this will be over the southern part of the Appalachians, to near 70 at the southern tips of Texas and Florida. Highs will be mainly in the 70s, except some 40s, 50s, and 60s in West Texas, Oklahoma, and in the 80s over southern Texas and central Florida. The rainfall in a few thunderstorms will extend from Tennessee into the northern Gulf Coast on Monday. Moving to the northeast now to see what's happening. They're going to be actually caught between high pressure offshore and a strong cold front still west of the region. And the northeast will end up their weekend with pretty much on a dry note. A few showers or possibly will occur over the Canadian border and may mix with a few snow flurries over western Maine and northern tip of New Hampshire. Southerly winds will turn breezy during the afternoon west of the Appalachians. Temperatures will range from near average to 18 degrees above average, which is good news. And lows will be mainly in the 30s and 40s, except for 20s in parts of the northern part of Maine. Highs will range from the upper 30s over northern Maine to 60s and even some few 70s in the mid-Atlantic regions. Rain will begin to approach from the west, and this will cause some showers to occur on Monday. Taking a look at the western part of the country, we don't want to leave them out. The region is quiet right now, mainly under high pressure on Sunday. A few snow showers will linger into the Rockies. Meanwhile, a new storm will bring some snow to the Cascades and increasing rain chances to the lower elevations of the western Washington and western Oregon. Temperatures will be 4 to 28 degrees below average. Lows will range from below zero just east of the mountains in the northwest Montana to the 30s and 40s in the deserts. Highs will range from the teens of the eastern part of Montana to the 60s from southwest Arizona to southern part of California. The Pacific Northwest storm continues to expand eastward on Monday, spreading some light snows over the northern Rockies. So that's a look at your national and regional forecast right here with Jason Scott with National and Regional Forecast. Thank you for joining us.